So this platform right here is called Arbitrage Scanner, and what it does is basically give you cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunities in different aspects. Now, the account you're going to be using today is a free account. I'm going to show you how to get this free account. So basically what this does is, for example, let's say the price of, let's say, ETH in Binance is about $3,200. And then if you go ahead and check the price of the ETH in something like Bybit, you might find it at the rate of $3,100. So by the time you go ahead and buy from Bybit, which is where it is cheaper at $3,100, and sell it in Binance where it is more expensive at $3,200, you're gonna end up with $100 profit. So this is basically just an example of what the platform does, and this is just for you to be able to get a brief understanding of what you're actually about to learn in this video. Now, like I said, this platform is actually heavily priced. The price they give out in this platform for you to be able to purchase these tools are expensive. Now, let me show you guys an example of what that looks like before we know exactly the importance of getting the free accounts I'm about to share with you in this video. So for 1 month plan, you see the starting point is $99 and the highest point is $798. If you go to about 3 months, you can see the amount you need keeps on increasing tremendously. For the 6 months, you can see over here every single thing is skyrocketing, and for the 1 year plan, a whooping $7,155 for the enterprise price, and for the starter is about $891. So it's not a small amount of money actually if you want to do this, and it's very, very important for you to be able to know if this actually works in the first place before you even consider yourself going into this particular platform, right? And that's why you're gonna be needing the free version. The free version is gonna last for 1 day. If you can see clearly on my screen right here, we have the free version over here that says promo business 1 day. You can see it clearly right here. It says active until 22nd of 7, 2025, which is tomorrow. And over here, maybe the day you're watching this video might probably be 22nd, or depending on when I'm able to complete the whole thing, right? So I'm going to show you how to be able to get this, so you can be able to try out this opportunity and see if it works, right? Then if it works, you can decide to go ahead and purchase the plan, or depending on, whatever you want to do, right? So in case you want to sign up into the platform, the link is going to be in the description of this video. I'm going to put the link to this platform in the description of this video. So go ahead and use that link to sign up into the platform to be able to get yourself started as well. So let's see exactly what to do. Once you come to this platform, just go ahead and click on, you're going to see where it's written try for free. Okay. So you can see over here, it says get a free trial day. So once you go ahead and click on that, they're going to basically bring you over to the Telegram channel, where they'll tell you to go ahead and join a Telegram channel, which is this one. Just go ahead and join them. They'll tell you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and Twitter channel. Those ones, you can do those ones if you want to, or stuff like that. Then finally, they're going to ask you to provide your Gmail, the Gmail you use to sign up into the platform, right? So once you give them the Gmail, you sign up into the platform, then they will grant you access to that account, or they will grant you 1 day access to that account. That's basically the process I took right here. You can see over here, I clicked on start, and although the point where I joined the Telegram channel seems to have disappeared over here, but you need to do those steps, right? So once you've done those steps, you provide your Gmail account, and then finally they will give you access. You can see over here, subscription successfully confirmed. Next step is registration and get started. So this is actually a very simple way of getting the free 1 day account. It doesn't really take you much. They don't ask you for your card or anything to get your 1 day free account. Now, how do you use this platform? It's very simple. The truth is that the free 1 day account is actually very limited. For example, they have the arbitrage perpetuals, which is a very common one when it comes to so many arbitrage exchanges that want to incorporate arbitrage in them. You can see over here in the arbitrage perpetual, it is still blurred out, and that's because I'm using the free 1 day account. This particular one is set to 3 seconds, 5 seconds refresh. And you can see over here, every time it refreshes, it shows me briefly what is going on in the market and quickly blurs it all out as well. So I'm not able to use this particular one, although you might want to, have a very quick eye and then maybe video it or something like that to be able to see exactly the prices whenever it comes a little bit lighter, to be able to see the prices and the volume and the exchanges. You can also implement that like that if you're actually interested in that. That's also another way to bypass this whole thing. That's a secret, but I'm not telling you to do that. I don't want to spoil anybody's business, right? But it's just something that it's common sense, right? So these are places you can put the exchanges where you buy from, where to sell from. But just know this is perpetual. This is for futures trading, right? So you go long, go short, that kind of a thing. Now, this is the common arbitrage that everybody knows about. This particular one is available for the free account that you are given for one day. You can see over here, it is completely available for you to use. Now, let's go ahead and refresh this to make sure we're in the live market. So basically what it does is just like the other one, but this one is something you can see for the free account, right? You can see the name of the assets. You can click on this to open the charts, right? You can see the buy exchange over here is Bitget. You can see the sell exchange over here is Mechatox, and the volume. The volume is very important actually. So whenever you see volumes like this, I don't recommend you actually take the trade because this volume is very small. I'm not gonna lie to you. Sometimes when you come to this platform, you see coins with a very good amount of volume. I personally know because I was in this platform a few minutes ago. I saw coins with volume of up to $1 billion, up to let's say $400,000. So those ones are something you can take, but this particular one is so small, and I don't think it's wise, right? So let me go ahead and make this a full screen so you can see every single thing properly. So you can see the network as well over here, although it's to the extreme, so it's difficult to see. Maybe if you don't look properly well, you might not see it properly, okay? But it's over here, it's Ethereum for this one. This one is Ethereum, BNB, and Polygon. This one is Smart Chain, which is BNB. This one is Ethereum, right? So it says the number of spreads in demo access is limited in order to preserve profit for their clients. So they're giving you a limited amount of access so that they can be able to preserve the profits, most profits for their clients, right? So this volume, guys, you see over here, it's very, very important to actually have coins with a very good amount of volume. And unfortunately, right now, there is none currently showing right now. But, before there was actually a lot, showing right here. Now, we're going to take a look at the filter to see more about this platform, to see if there's a way we can improve what we see over here. So they give you the tracked exchanges. You cannot change this. I believe this is probably because it's the free account. They give you the exchange for selling. They have whitelist currencies, which there's nothing there. Blacklist currencies, which there's nothing there. So all the sense I cannot change it, and I guess because I'm using a free account. So same thing with all these ones, right? So basically, there's no need for us to actually use this filter in the first place because there's nothing we can do, right here. So let me go ahead and close this. So let me quickly explain to you how this works, right? So you can see the name of the coin. Then over here is they tell you to buy. So you're gonna have to buy from here at this rate 0.0039316. Then you sell at this rate that changed again, right? So you sell at this rate. Let's say this one is more easy to see, right? So WNXM to USDT. So you buy WNXM in Mechatox at $78, $78.0054, and you sell it in Gate.io at $78.76. Now, the problem here is that this one is Ethereum network. So whenever you're doing this one, you definitely need a lot of money because Ethereum network is going to charge you, let's say, about $8 to something, right? So let's look at the one with the Smart Chain, which has been here for like 11 minutes. So this one over here is Ultima. The price is $5,508, $13.4873. Or over here is $5,558.2. So basically, this is how you do it. But I personally know that this arbitrage will not work, right? None of the arbitrages right here will actually work as of this particular moment in time. And the reason is because of the volumes we have over here. The volumes are too low. So I'm guessing that the reason why they're doing this is probably because they are leaving the good part for people that paid. But if you ask me, this is more of a downselling to them, because the pricing that they have in the platform is very expensive, and most people are not really gonna buy that right at that rate. So they really need to open it up more. Maybe they can do it like Coin Night and give it out free for like maybe 2 hours or something like that. Then anybody that makes a profit within that 2 hours, we definitely want to continue making profits, and then they will definitely want to buy, right? But limiting it like this is a problem, right? So the thing here is that as it is right now, it's a thing of chance, right? So if you come back here in a few minutes time, you can find normal arbitrages that you can actually use to, make a lot of money. And sometimes you might not be able to find them, right? So yeah, so that's actually how to use this particular platform. So let me take this over here. You can see more clearly, right? So you can see everything good thing more clear right here. So that's basically how it works actually. What do you think about this platform? Do you think it's something that is worth knowing about? And what do you think, they should, do to, probably help you, the viewer, be able to have trust in them as well? So your feedbacks could lead us to actually, messaging these guys and probably getting something like a free trial premium account, maybe for like a week or something like that, to give out to a few limited number of viewers, which you could be part of. Then we can do a proper review on that, right? Anyway, so this is gonna be for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed arbitrage content, as we're gonna be dropping more content on arbitrage and how to make money online, right? So we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and happy earning.